What's up guys, Tony here from Apple Ties 5, and in this video I'm just going to go over a couple new features on iOS 7 Goldmaster, which was released a couple days ago. I'm going to go ahead and unlock. You can see the unlock, now it just slides over. So I'll show you the new wallpapers everyone's talking about. They're pretty nice, and the ringtones are pretty nice also. So I'll go over to the wallpapers. You got the dynamic ones, which are the ones that are bubbles actually moving on your screen. Kind of Android-ish, but it's nice. Cool thing about it is you can customize your wallpaper to your case. So if you have a black case, you can use dark wallpaper. These are the dynamic ones. I'll go over to the stills, and you can see they're pretty cool. Nature, mostly nature ones, until you get towards halfway down and you'll see these colorful ones. These are real nice. I'm rocking the black one. Has kind of like dots everywhere. That's the one I'm rocking. Okay, now we'll go to the sounds, so you can check out the new sounds or ringtones. That's the new one for iOS 7. It's called Opening Apex. They actually sound very nice on, this is the iPhone 4S. They actually sound pretty nice. And also, these are all new. I'm not going to ruin it for you so you guys can check them out yourselves. But if you keep scrolling down, you should get to the classic. And in classic, it's a folder, and it'll bring you back to the original ones, the original sounds. That's a favorite. That's a favorite of iPhone. So, so yeah, it's the classic ones. I'm going back to the opening. Kind of like the new one. The default one. That's it guys, this is Tony signing off. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll have some more updates on the iOS 7 jailbreak, which is soon to be released, or it should be coming up. I've heard iOS 6.1.3 jailbreak should be ready. But I'm not sure if a lot of people are interested in that jailbreak, so comment below if you are. I have two devices, so I can pretty much update one and keep the other one on iOS 7. So you guys let me know what videos you guys want me to do. And that's about it. Thanks for watching. Peace.